Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? And this is time to you invest now in Shiba. Definitely, my friend, a lot of holder ask me, but definitely you can see after the crypto market is completely dumps down. You can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days. So in this video, I will tell you clearly, my brother, can Shiba Inu is good for investment, and those days can there is a chance so they will give you a profit. Definitely, my friends, no one want to this time invest in Shiba Inu, but my friend, you can see here this time the main thing, my friend, you can see here the crypto volume. You can see every currency volume. Check it now. I hope, my brother, if the volume is going to be good, so everybody doing this, so they are starting investing. So I also already, my friend, doing this, my friend, in my previous investment, and absolutely much. If you check out, my friend, my previous videos, some videos I am invest, my friend, money. So therefore you can see here this time also I will tell you, my brothers, to you do this what I tell you. I hope I will give you guarantee you never lost. So try to understand, and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, but please you research personally also now. So my brother, the volume of Shiba Inu, you can see, my friend, this time 36 million, my brother. So definitely, if the volume is good now, this time the market volume is completely, my friend, stable now. It's very good now. So therefore this is not bad, really. This is not bad. The currency is completely falls down. You can see Shiba Inu completely the price is falls down, but the volume is also very better, my friend, from a lot of currencies now. So therefore, my friend, if I see, when I see, my friend, the volume of Shiba Inu, so therefore I decide to, I think this is absolutely chance, so they will give you a profit. So this is good time of others to you invest in Shiba Inu. And definitely, if a holder are starting investing, so therefore the coin is moving up for now. So kindly hope you understand now, my brother. But definitely you need, my brother, to check out the market cap, the market volume, the supply, circulating supply, my friend. The main thing, you can see here the max supply distribution, 49.77% distribution. It's already, my friend, very good now. I hope they will hit now 50% just in all the my friends, today, tonight, my brother. So there is a chance. All right, just in all, my friend, we need to check out the chart results. So this time, this chart, if you can see, my brother, after a very huge and very bad fail, my friend, you can see here they will move upward. They will take a short jump, but after that, you can see, my brother, they will moving in this circulation. Just check it out. All right, so after a fails, they take a small jump, short fail, but definitely, my friend, they will moving in this circulation. So that's mean, my brother, to in those days there is no chance so they will take jump like that. So if they will, my friends, take a jump like that, so I hope, my brother, they will give you completely profit now, and they will make you millionaire. So try to understand, holder. Please remember, my brothers, to in upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will move upward, but just and only need, my friends, the focus, the hard work. So I hope they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Obviously channel will update you, will guide you every day, every time. So you need to subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.